Imagine this. You wake up one day, look at your bank account, and it finally makes you smile. Not because you won the lottery, not because you became a millionaire overnight, but because you built wealth slowly, silently, smartly. Today I'm giving you the 5 daily habits that make people rich, without luck, without talent, without waiting for motivation. Let's begin. Step 1. Track every rupee. Like a detective, rich people don't guess where their money goes. Poor people do. Every day, take 20 seconds and note 3 things: what you earned, what you spent, what you wasted, why it works. Because the moment you track something, you control it. The moment you control it, it grows. Your money is leaking. This habit seals the leaks. Step 2. The 1% investment rule. Every single day, invest something, even a tiny amount. 50 rupees, 100 rupees, doesn't matter. This habit doesn't build money. It builds the identity of someone who invests. And once your identity changes, your bank balance follows. Small money daily becomes big money eventually. Step 3. Learn one skill. Upgrade. Daily skills are modern assets, and your income is a reflection of your skills. Spend 10 minutes a day improving something: sales, writing, coding, design, communication, anything. 10 minutes a day is 3,650 minutes a year. That's 60 hours of pure skill improvement, which most people never do. Your skill grows, your income grows. It's that predictable. Step 4. The 5-minute money reflection. Every night, ask yourself 3 questions. What made me money today? What wasted my money today? What mistake can I avoid tomorrow? This is how you stop repeating financial disasters. Wealth isn't built by doing big things right. It's built by stopping small mistakes early. Step 5. Build money momentum, not motivation. Motivation fades, momentum doesn't. Set one tiny daily financial win. Save 100 rupees. Cancel one useless subscription. Compare prices before buying. Cook instead of ordering. Read one page of a finance book. Tiny wins create a chain. Chains create identity. Identity creates wealth. This is how ordinary people become rich slowly and stay rich forever. You don't need luck. You don't need discipline. You need small habits repeated daily. If you start today, even at your lowest, your future self will thank you louder than anyone else. If you want more videos that upgrade your money, mind, and life, like this video, subscribe to Quiz Catalyst and comment, "I choose wealth." It helps the channel and it helps you stay committed.